Hey everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning. Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
This is what, day 8?
Day 8.
Day 8
Day 8 of the
already.
quarantine gardeners here. So we're going to show you one of the projects we were talking to you about before. We're actually going to do it now because today, I'm pretty sure, is our first frost-free day.
Yeah, that's right.
And so we're going with that. We're going to trust it with the Farmer's Almanac.
Yeah.
And here we go. We're going to do some planting today.
Plus, we have no rain right now, so we're going with that. So
it's a nice day out here.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
You can see behind us, we've got our grasses and our hydrangeas, and we're so excited to plant these and get these in the ground.
Yep, we are. We got 9 plants to plant in the ground this morning, so we're going to do it. And you get to watch. You get to be a part of it.
All right, so here we go.
Here we go.
That's a wrap.
That's it, everybody. You saw us do it. We did it. Didn't go too long, and it was a lot of fun. You might have noticed that we were actually digging our holes twice as wide as deep. So that's to give the roots some time and some space to actually grow through that soil.
You might have seen me kind of cutting at the bottom of the plant with the shovel. I was trying to break the roots up.
And that's something you want to do too, is you want to break the roots up at the bottom of the pots, because if you don't, they'll stay in that shape after you put them in the ground, more than likely. So it's good to break them up, spread them out, and then cover them with soil, and that gives them even a farther start to get those roots out further into your garden to really get established faster.
So with that, I think that's it for today. We're really excited about how this turned out. We think it's going to grow and look very beautiful and have a lot of texture, add some color to this area. So we're pretty happy with it. We actually need to get one more grass because we love things in threes and odd numbers, and we need to get one more of our, it's called a false Tracina. It's a perennial, and we love it. And we only bought 2, and we should have bought 3.
Yep.
So we're gonna call and see if our nursery's garden center has any more left, and we're like really hoping they do.
Hope so. But yeah, we're just gonna continue on with our day, guys. Thanks for being here. It's day 8, quarantine gardeners, and stay positive. We're in this together, and we're gonna get through this. So stay busy, busy hands, busy minds.
That's right. And have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.